Hello and welcome to a new GreenStuffWorld video. Today, we're going to create a small battle scene with a marine and a ruined beam. After the first coat of black gloss primer, we apply the black chrome tone with an airbrush. We top it up with several drops and make smooth, even strokes all over the armor. As we want to give a reddish hue to this metallic armor, we are going to use the color Ruby Red from our candy inks. Remember to mix the can well before using the paint. You can do it with our rotational paint shaker. We apply with the airbrush as we have done before, and we move on to highlighting the first details with ANTHRAX metal and a fine brush. Over these details, made with metallic paint, we're going to give a few passes of Atramentum Black wash ink to highlight details and shadows of the miniature. The main purpose of wash inks is darkening the nooks and crannies to increase the contrast between areas. For a final touch of metallic shine, we're going to apply the QUICKSILVER tone on the most protruding parts with a fine brush. And here comes the most awaited moment. We're going to use our industrial metal beams. They are resin bits made of high-quality resin. These in particular belong to a set of accessories and special effects for the battlefield. With some Cyanoacrylate Glue, we're going to glue the beam we have selected onto the base. We apply a coat of matte black as a base to be able to work on it more comfortably. This primer adheres perfectly not only to resin surfaces, but also to those made of plastic, metal, and wood. With a dry brush technique and using a thick brush, we will first apply the dark forged iron metallic color with several soft strokes. We will illuminate this beam with dry aged silver, much brighter than the previous tone. Using again our rotational mixer, we'll shake the next can well so that the paint inside is homogeneous. This dark rust liquid pigment is designed to create rust and dirt effects, ideal for this ruined beam in the middle of the battlefield. Over this first dark layer, we apply orange rust, always with a weathering brush. With a fine brush, we mark the contours of the nuts. The battlefield floor is usually full of dirt and debris. To create a realistic dirt effect, our Texturizing Paste is the ultimate solution. It is very easy to apply and dries in 30 minutes. The final touch that makes the scene look apocalyptic is achieved by adding bits of skull resin. Do this while the texturizing paste is still wet, so they will adhere to it. We added a bit of dry nature made up of these grass tufts in the shade dry brown. They come in a variety of sizes, but the 6mm ones are perfect for this vase. They are easily applied without glue, as they are self-adhesive. We place the miniature on its stand, and this is the final result. The finishes are amazing. Like, subscribe, click on the little bell, and don't miss the next GreenStuffWorld video.